In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lo-fi beat with AI. For this tutorial, I'm using an app called Suno. I'm on the paid version. It's $10 a month, I believe. You can come in here and I think it lets you make like one song with free credits. But the paid version basically gives you a bunch of credits and then you can use them throughout the month and then it refreshes them the next month. So every month it's going to refresh you. If you do want to join, maybe use my invite code, that would be cool. And then I can get some free credits. But of all of the AIs that I've used, this one is probably the craziest, like the most impressive. The music that you can make is actually insane. And not just the lo-fi, like actual songs. Like I was messing with this with my friend and it gave us some stuff that sounds like a hit. But here's the quick rundown. You want to go to create. You can try out simple, but I recommend just doing custom. We're not going to do any lyrics. Maybe I'll get into that in a future tutorial. But here's the style. We're going to do lo-fi, hip hop, beat, sad, moody. You just kind of type some vibes that you want. Chill, slow. You can type a beats per minute, but I've found that it sometimes doesn't do exactly what I want. Also type like 5 minutes, but it's usually gonna give you like a 3-minute song if you do that. Like these ones over here, I typed 5 minutes and it gave me 239 and 329. Then we wanna type no vocals. And then we'll give it like a more difficult word to see if it can throw that in. But this should still create something cool. And then we can go to advanced options. Now we're doing no vocals, so that won't matter. You can tweak these a little bit if you want. And then if you have stuff that you don't want, you can type that here. I don't want a saxophone. I don't want any saxophone instruments in my beat. So we can type that there. And that should be good to go. I'm just gonna click create. Now every time you click create, it's gonna create you 2 different options here. So we have untitled 1 and 2, and it's thinking, it's printing these out. This usually takes maybe 30 seconds to a minute. I'll just title these real quick. So now I know what those are. Okay, so the first one, 3 minutes, 12 seconds. We can start to listen to this. I like it. This one, 4 minutes, 18 seconds. I like this one too a lot, actually. A little bit more ambient sounds in there. So then you can download both of them, do whatever you want. But at this point, I would just go to download, and my face is in front of this, but download MP3 audio. I'm just gonna save it to your computer. And then you're gonna have the file that you can do whatever you want with. If you like this one a lot, you can add this to a playlist. Create playlist, YT. It's been added, go to inspiration. And now we have basically this song as inspiration. So it can print you out more beats that are similar to that. And you just click create and it's gonna create 2 more similar to this. So I think that's a really helpful tip for people that are trying to make longer videos with lo-fi beats. I'll also give you one more trick in the next video. I'm gonna do another quick tutorial, so subscribe for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you wanna see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.